me see the whole of the light poles must shake. So all the building must shake. All the truck like that, you see truck there, they shake. The car they must shake.
Hey guys, Wellesley here from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome back to my channel. Yesterday, Jamaica was rocked by a powerful 7.7 magnitude earthquake. It caused major anxiety and panic across the nation, albeit the fact that there were no casualties. Today I'm in the street and I'm getting feedback from persons who experienced it firsthand. Stay tuned. And by the way, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. That way you'll stay updated on all my latest videos. What do you think about it?
Why, believe me, at the hardest one I ever feel. Trust me. But so I cross the road and the meat shop I sell to party, and when the place starts shake, I get afraid. Yeah, because I say everything I move. All the TV they up on the wall, and so I sit there. So
What do you think it means for Jamaica?
why, you see which part it shake most?
Yeah.
In the west. Which part the whole heap of things are going down. So the pieces are shaking for the youth them know some why, you know, straighten themselves.
Make her feel scared. They stand up on the roadside and feel like I'm going to sink them in the bowl.
Okay, where was that?
Chester Castle. I live in Chester Castle.
Earthquake is a thing that is unexpected. That's the only thing you cannot plan for. You can plan for hurricane, fire, water. But earthquake is a sudden thing. I have experienced it on many occasions, but a lot of these young people, they have never experienced it. All yesterday when you hear the rumbling, and it sounds like
Thunder.
not a thunder, sounds like underground train.
Yes.
Roaming, right? So for you see that, I hear that, is the sign of the earthquake and the tumbling and rumbling and everything. But all I want to do, we must expect these things at any given time. And through the Almighty overlooking us to save us.
All
So
right.
we give thanks.
Thank you.
It was an experience. Thank God there was no aftershock, but it wasn't that bad at all.
Yesterday when I was sitting here in the first half, I feel it, but I didn't think it was earthquake. But in the second half now, because a next girl was sitting here and she get up and she go here and I still sit down. So in the second half now, I believe that it was an earthquake. It was powerful, and we know that God is coming. So all we have to do is prepare and live for Him. That when He comes, we will be with Him.
Well, for me, the earthquake was my first experience, and I wasn't really too frightened. You know, I just stood still and just feel the vibration. Others was there panicking, but I was cool.
You're at work?
I was at work.
Well, yeah, I did see it. I was at school at the time, and it's tragic that a lot of persons didn't know like the proper precautions to do in case of an earthquake. So everybody was just running up and down and stuff like that. No one was like go in the door
school?
jam or go
school?
under this. Yes. So
Okay. What do you think we can do better next time?
like teach like students and all of that to like the proper precautions, like in case of an earthquake, like do this or yeah.
I was sleeping on my bed, and then it seems to me, I felt it in my sleep, but I felt the bed going like this, but I thought I was sleeping. But when I do realize I open my eyes, it was the bed going up and down like that. But it goes more than a second. It goes longer than a second. And I used to earthquake. I used to live in California. And I never see one like this before in Jamaica. I'm an old woman. I never respond to anyone like this in Jamaica.
What do you think it means for Jamaica?
Wake up call.
What does it mean for Jamaica?
It's a wake up call for us, man.
Okay.
Yes, a good wake up call
So I didn't feel the earthquake, but I was thinking that Jamaica was lucky because the first thing that came to my mind was Haiti, and I thought I saw it where it was a 7 point something magnitude earthquake.
7.7.
7.7. So I was saying Jamaica is a really blessed country. No matter what they want to say, Jamaica is blessed.
It's a warning because people doing their one thing, they're not doing what God that says. So it's a warning to the nation. God is merciful and He spares the people because He do not act without the warning first.
And what I think about it is we just have to depend with God. It can come happen anytime.
I don't right just so me slow, I don't go nowhere. I just slow and humble my little self. I don't go nowhere.
So what do you think about it? What do you think about it?
We want to think, we can't think because it can happen to God, think that we can't know about it. We can't go in a God business.
You don't think we can prepare ourselves?
I will not prepare ourselves, you can still get like earthquake. Now we open up. Nobody never knows the earthquake when going to come yesterday. Nobody never know that. Just sit down, everybody who feel run one and make nice and all of that.
It is a sign from above.
The sign from above?
Yeah.
Okay.
And it was very terrifying.
Do you think we can prepare better?
I think so because we weren't much prepared. Take us off guard. So I think we can be much prepared.
But every country get it.
Huh?
Every country get it. Yeah. Everyone get it. I will last get it.
Okay.
Cuba get it, America get it, Trinidad get it, Cayman get it. Barbados get it, every country get it.
So I stand up and feel the place a shake.
Yeah.
So I said to my brother and say, how the place a shake so? He said no feel it. Then one guy lean upon this building and behind the guy say, me royal God, no earthquake. So I said, Maris, a earthquake, you know. Maris, if I run off, I run go set up my road. I look to see the whole of the light post in my shake. So all the building in my shake. All the truck like that, you see truck there. The shake, the car in my shake.
Right after you finish?
Right after I stand up.
So you run?
Going on Middle Road because this one I shake them when we say don't tear down.
Okay.
And everybody run out of that place.
Yeah, I run the building because I hurt it, mashing the building.
Yeah, then when we look down, I see the post of my shake and the car.
What do you think that means for Jamaica though?
Wicked poor people.
No, not so wicked, man.
Wicked poor people.
Father tell us that in the end of film time we are going to have tribulation. All kind of disaster in the last year. He said going to pour out in wrath for the nation. But you could have serious yesterday, no? Yeah. You could have serious more yesterday.
Yeah.
Because this is 7.7.
Yeah.
And we say less than that. And we say 51. And 51 they catch that and they mash up.
I know 51.
About what?
57.
57. And they mash up so much things like with this one will mash up like with 57. So we have to get God the glory. Yeah.
The earthquake shake 10 minutes after 2. I was on a farm buying some ackee. So the guy said to me, Miss Sonia, what is that? I started, I said, no, it's an earthquake. So I said, bend down. Just sit where you is. And the guy get up and run come out. And I said, sit down. So I said to me, first, if you want earthquake, and I said, whenever time you want earthquake, I will do something like this. Either you go on that table, you go behind a door, or you look flat by your belly.
Good. Well, basically, I personally did not feel the earthquake yesterday. I was transporting, yes, I'm going to keep, no, yesterday, I was transporting some friends of mine, old folks, and on the way up, their daughter in the United States called to ask us if we felt the earthquake. We said no, because obviously we did not, because the car was moving and stuff.
You're driving, yes.
Right, I didn't feel anything. But it wasn't until I get to my house that my son told me that Daddy, there was an earthquake and the place was shaking like crazy. So that is when I learned that there was an earthquake, and shortly after start seeing it on social media.
Is there anything you think we could do different? What does that mean for Jamaica? Though?
What I say, I think the big earthquake, the Kingston and Port Royal earthquake is probably a little over 100, probably 110 years. I might be wrong. But it tells you that we lie in an earthquake zone. And Jamaica has been fortunate over the past 100 years to have not had a serious earthquake.
I think that the last Kingston was 1907.
Right. So Puerto Rico had one recently that is right out there. And every day now they're having aftershocks that is damaging whatever
and
has
Haiti
been.
The other day.
Right. And Haiti had one. So the best thing we can do is to be prepared. No one can be prepared for any eventuality, but we have to be prepared. Build good structures and continue to be vigilant.
In my house, lying down in my settee and I feel this jerk and I get up and open my window and looking outside.
Yeah. What do you think about that? What do you think about it? What does it mean for Jamaica though?
That is a start. I mean, we must look into ourselves.
I think it's a warning. God is showing you a sign that telling us that He's alive and we must know ourselves. You understand?
I think it's a warning.
Oh, did you feel it?
Yes, I feel it. Right where standing I was.
Oh, and what happened?
My husband was sitting right over there and he said to me, what we shaking the gate? And when he said that to me, I feel the tremor in my foot. I said, it's a big man.
Yes.
And he said, which big man? I said, the big man of top, it's a big man.
Yes, yes.
And he run out of the road and for me said, this is a wake up call, it's reality.
Yes.
We have to come to it.
It was very shocking, frightening. I just feel the place started to shake like that. And then I realized it was the earthquake that coming.
Came outside to see the reaction, if it was really real. So I came outside to see the reaction. And the
people running and stuff?
Yeah, people were definitely running, scampering for their lives. Which I rushed back inside immediately.
It's a serious thing, but yeah,
serious.
Yeah, but really
yeah, because I run back in the store.
Why?
Understand? Why? Because my man, I'm scared. So if anything in disaster, I have to alert them. So I go inside, tell them, say, listen, earthquake, move it. And me to the door. When me to the door now, I turn around, I don't see nobody move.
Yeah.
And so by the time I come back out now, I'm going to look up this again. It's the building. The building. If I run back in the side.
It was last for about like over 2 minutes.
Yeah, over 2 minutes. You understand? And I have to use propellant to get the people out of the shop. And I went to China man, dash over the counter, the man have to look over bang belly, you know. Yeah. I tell the man, over the counter in the park. And them kind of Jamaican people them start rushing up. Yeah. So I say, oh, if the China man never move, they're still in there.
Still inside here.
My first experience, and honestly, it just feel like a normal elevator.
Elevator?
Yes.
Wow. You weren't scared?
No.
All me know is me still understand, me just feel the place that, yeah, and if you are good, I first I never really experienced so long. Understand?
Yeah, okay.
So
how do you think we can prepare better?
Why? You know, just understand. Because me look over all over this to the glass. It's like, if you can stay a few more minutes, maybe you can crack up. Alright. The glass said nothing worse still now happens still. Yeah. So I said?
Yeah.
You feel confused.
Confusing?
Yeah.
What do you mean by
that?
that?
First, you don't know, you just feel the trembling of the building, and then you just get nervous because most people panic.
Did you panic?
No. It was just surprising because at first me feel one so strong and so long.
What do you think we can do to prepare better?
I have no idea.
Well, I feel it, you know. Feel it definitely. And I think at first most people go experience earthquake like that.
It could be worse. The earthquake could be worse and it could be dangerous too. But some people, I don't know, a whole heap of place feel it vibrate it and it shake up no school and a whole heap of activity not take place.
Okay. Do you think we can prepare better?
Alright. Prepare better. You have to watch and see how you work out again, you know, because I come to clinic and they evacuate so they feel and slight damage not too long now come to clinic.
Oh, that's type 5?
Yeah, don't have type 5 now.
Alright, listen.
Very good so far.
Alright.
No life, no loss.
It was massive earthquake. And all we have to do is just prepare. That's all we have to say.
Well, there you go, my friend. Live feedback from persons who experienced the earthquake here yesterday. I'd love to hear from you. What do you think it means for Jamaica? And how do you think we can prepare a little better? I'd love to hear from you. Share your comment below. And if this is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. That way you'll see updated on all my latest videos.